We had a number of these M249 FN belt-fed semi-autos pre-sold, and a lot of our customers are wondering what comes in them. So we thought we would do a video of exactly how they show up to us. And this is the same way we ship them. So yours won't be opened. We'll just use the serial number from the invoice to log it in. But this way you'll see exactly what they come with and how they're packaged from FN. Here's the gun. I won't take it out of the plastic bag, but you can see the barrel is not on it. These do have a quick change, although I don't know how quick it changes, barrel. 20.5 inch, I believe. Comes with the, what they call a polymer ammo, holder that mounts underneath it. Hold your linked ammo. And it sounds like there's some links in there. Get this opened, and we will look and see. Here's what the top says. 200 cartridges, 5.56 Link M27 ball for M249. Yep. You have a bunch of loose links in there, probably a couple hundred by the looks of it. So it does come with links and ammo carrier. There's your instruction manual that it comes with. And I'm guessing this last box is the barrel. Yep. So there's your barrel to put on. And we'll probably go ahead and open this one and put it on just so you can kind of see what the finished product looks like, and we can let you know how easy it is to put on. But that's it. Oh wait, nope. And here we go. Empty box just for shipping purposes. Keep everything nice and tight. But that is it. The M249 Standard Edition that is $79.99.